Welcome to this Excel tutorial where we'll explore two efficient methods for summing identical cells across multiple worksheets in Microsoft Excel. In this session, we'll explore a formula-based approach and an automation method using VBA coding. Assuming that you have three worksheets, 1Q, 2Q, 3Q, in your workbook, and you need to calculate the total value of certain cells, V1, in these worksheets. However, those cells are in several different worksheets. How can I sum up those cell values into total worksheet? Let's see the first method, utilizing a straightforward formula based on the sum function. When it comes to simplicity, formulas are key. Follow these steps. Identify the cell you want to sum across multiple worksheets. Enter the formula in a cell, for example, equals sum 1Q, V1, 2Q, V1, 3Q, V1. Customize the sheet names and cell references based on your workbook structure. Press Enter, and Excel will instantly sum the specified cells from different worksheets, providing a quick and efficient solution. Now, as we move on to the second method, let's delve into the method of VBA. Here, we'll uncover how to automate the summation process with precision, allowing you to specify worksheet names for a tailored solution. For those seeking customization, VBA provides a robust solution. Follow these steps. Press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic for Applications editor. In the editor, click Insert and choose Module to create a new module. Copy and paste the provided VBA code into the module. Close the VBA editor. In a cell, use the function, for example, equals sum same cell worksheets, V1, 1Q, 2Q, 3Q. Customize the worksheet names in the VBA function if needed. Press Enter, and the VBA code will dynamically sum the specified cell across the specified worksheets, providing a flexible and automated solution tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching. We've covered two efficient methods for summing identical cells across multiple worksheets in Excel. Whether you prefer the simplicity of the sum function or the flexibility of VBA, both approaches enable you to sum the same cell across various sheets. Subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks to enhance your spreadsheet skills.